Welcome. This episode, we will be building part 5-46I lubricated bomb spring retainer screw for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 5-46I lubricated bomb spring retainer screw for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. File, new, MMGS. Alright, so let's do this one. I'm going to do this one a little bit different. It's a bolt with a screw on, pretty much. But I'm going to do this one a little bit different. Let me go top view. We're going to do smart dimension. No, we're not. We're going to do a circle first. My apologies. Now we're going to do smart dimension. That's going to be a what of 12. That's going to be 12. That's going to be screwed out by 7. Now, before I put the nut on there, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to go... let's see. Nope, that one there. Right plane. Cancel. Normal 2 first. Right plane. Let's do the construction line from there to there. That is our vehicle. Nope, don't want smart dimension. We want... Actually, on the other. We want reference geometry back on feature plane. So click on the line, click on the circle. Okay. Now click again and highlight. That's what I did wrong in the update. So I still had that highlighted. Plane, line, and point, and done. Okay, so now we go to Hole Wizard, thread. That's going to be M12, I believe. Yep, M12, which should be what it was. M12, yes it is. So it's going to be a circle. Doesn't matter which circle. One there, one there. Going to have the bomb plane, then top plane. Just out of curiosity, if I swap that around, does it make any difference? Top plane, bomb plane. No, I didn't think so. And that's going to be done. There you go, beautiful. Got thread right to the end. Let me hide these. We don't need these anymore. Do not delete them. If you delete them, you will mess up your work because they are still reference planes. Now we go this space here, normal, sketch, look outside on highlight. Now we want the polygon, click in the middle, and that's going to be 16. Smart dimension, 16. That's going to be thickness of 5. Ooh, I saw something. Actually, that actually works out good. Thickness of 5. Done. There we go. There you go. The thread goes right up to the point there. So that's one way you can do a thread right up there without going in or have that bit, that piece that blocks in at times. So that works out pretty good. So that's one way of doing it. I just thought that as I started doing this episode. That's beauty about SolidWorks. There's so many ways, or even mechanical drafting could be that point. There's so many ways to build something like this. Now, if someone does, you could have 10 people in the room, they'd probably do it 10 different ways. As long as you get the final thing is what the main thing is. Now, we got one more thing to do. We want sketch, we want a circle right in the center. That's going to be 6 mil. Oops, sorry. Sketch. Dimension, not sketch. 6 mil. That is going to be 8 mil screwed. 8 mil. And done. There we go. Don't know why, but that's what it is. Got 12, 6 holes, 7, 5, 16, 8. yeah, that is it. Let me put that in night vision. Yep, that looks good. Actually, probably like that, though I can see the hole there. See the bomb there. Zoom that in. Make a nice screenshot. That's part 5-36I. Lubricated bomb spring retainer screw. Man, took so many times to say that in the start of the episode. I might show those bloopers at the end there. I'm not too sure yet. I'm doing that a couple of shoving bloopers on the end. I think that's funny. So anyway, thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, and subscribe. I will see you next episode. Remember, keep building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 5-46I, lubricated bomb spring retrainer. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 5-46I, lubricated bomb spring retrainer